National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Coles Island, Sandy Point, Maryland, to Queenstown, Maryland, until 3:30 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Dobbins Island, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Low Point, Pinehurst, Magazine River, Chester River, Sandy Point State Park, Gibson Island, and 7-foot knolls. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the regional weather forecast for the Philadelphia metropolitan area. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 11:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., an area of strong thunderstorms were located near the Woodland Beach area, or 7 nautical miles southwest of Shipton Shoal Lake, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortesque Beach, Brownie Shoal Lake, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape and Lopez, East Point, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Myalaw Lake, Shipton Shoal Lake, Brandywine Shoal Lake, and Cross Ledge Lake. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest Newcastle County in Delaware, Burlington County in central Delaware, northeastern Queens County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 10:15 p.m.
Where's that one off?
A severe thunderstorm was located over the 14 miles south of Middletown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Smyrna, Camden, Clayton, Cheswell, Millington, Bowers, Hartley, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Woodland Beach, Delaney Corner, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Green Spring, Rising Sunshine, Massey, Townsend, Wyoming, Kenton, and Little Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Kent and Queen Anne's.
I'm on the phone with another EAS enthusiast right now. I'm just gonna record this one, because why not?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over 14-foot Bank Light, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brandywine Shoal Light, 14-foot Bank Light, and Brown Shoal Light. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the official...
Yeah, let's die.
special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queensland, Maryland, Eastern Bay until 3:45 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Pools Island to near Baltimore Light, moving southeast at 5 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater in waterspouts. Source: radar indicated.
Oh, what's up with that signal?
Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily and create locally hazardous seas. Locations of hazards include Fort Small and State Park,
That's fine.
Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, and 7-foot Knoll. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts.
No.
Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Here is the region.